Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Y13 smartwatch to your mobile phone. First, ensure your Y13 smartwatch is fully charged, which usually takes about 2 hours for a complete cycle. Next, download the official companion application from your phone's app store, searching for Y13 smartwatch app. Finally, activate Bluetooth on your mobile device to prepare for the pairing process. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection. Once the app is installed, open it and either create a new account or log in if you already have one. Within the application, look for a section labeled Add Device or Pair Device, which is typically found on the home screen or in the Settings menu. From the list of available Bluetooth devices that appears, select your Y13 smartwatch. It might be identified by its model number or a unique ID. After selecting your smartwatch, you'll receive a pairing request on both your mobile phone and the Y13 device. Confirm this request on both screens to establish the connection. It's also important to grant all necessary permissions to the companion application, such as access to notifications and location, for full functionality. Finally, check the app's status screen to confirm that your Y13 smartwatch is successfully connected and ready to use. If you encounter any issues during the pairing process, don't worry. A common solution is to restart both your mobile phone and your Y13 smartwatch, then attempt the pairing again. Ensure your smartwatch is within a close range, ideally within 10 meters, of your phone for a stable connection. For more specific problems, consult the detailed Y13 user manual or the help section within the companion application for tailored guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.